With so many different choices, making sure a color is the right one for your transfers can be a difficult task. Versatrans makes it easy in a number of ways, including our pre-printed color swatches. Our color swatches are included in our free sample pack for you to reference and to even test on your own garments. If you are ever looking at colors on your screen, it's very important to remember that these are only for a quick reference. Computer-generated colors do not accurately represent the actual print color. Being said, it's highly recommended for you to have the physical color swatches in front of you when you're placing your order and when you're reviewing your artwork proof. This is so you can compare and see which color would look best based off your preference. If you find it difficult to pick out all of the colors from your image just because there are so many, it may be beneficial to submit your order with a different transfer type. One option is a Versacolor transfer, which is our CMYK process. This prints with a combination of pre-selected colors: cyan, magenta, yellow, black, and white. Another option is our full color fusion transfer, which is a fusion of digital photorealistic quality combined with plastisol ink. Still have more questions about our colors? Check out our other videos covering this topic, or find our contact information if you'd like to speak to a representative, which are both linked in the description of this video and on our website at versatrans.com. Thank you for watching.